going to talk about how to use a sock aid. So a sock aid is a device to help you put on your sock. So the first thing we'll do is take off my sock. And what you want to do is put this device up against your stomach and kind of press it gently. Now if you have any kind of incisions or problems here, you may not want to put it up against your stomach. Okay, so what you would do is you want to widen your sock, and it's going to fit right over top of this right here. And once you get it on like this, you want to pull it until this part is pretty flat. And then you would take these ropes, put it down, stick your leg out, and then just pull. And then you have your sock on. So a sock aid can be used by anybody that needs help reaching their feet. So it could be people with back pain, people that have just gotten a hip replacement, obese people, or just, elders that can't reach to get that low. Okay, so this is the other sock aid. It's for people with wider feet, but I am personally not a fan of this one. When it comes, it's really flat. You have to bend it, which is difficult. And then I've tried it several times and it did not seem to work very well. So I would stay away from this one. They have one that is similar at Walmart that is cloth that you can actually roll. It's for wider feet, and I think that one works a little bit better than this one. So I would probably stick with the traditional.